Yo, what up, Street Talks? Eric Kim. Alright, so the thought. Real life is the ultimate video game, first-person shooter, MMORPG, and adventure. So, imagine like you're, the hero, or you're Link in The Legend of Zelda. You wake up in your house. Do you stay in the house for the rest of your life? Nope. Yo, what's up, buddy? No, you go outside, you venture. And yeah, essentially you get out of the house, and it's kind of interesting because a lot of people leave the house and they're not quite sure where to go, what to do, and stuff like that. But my thought is just get the hell out of your apartment, take a look outside, and then figure it out as you go. And just know that no matter how boring things may seem, there's always new adventures for you to behold.